Greetings everyone. I hope the motorbike sound isn't too overwhelming. Now there's a few people coming up by taxi in the coming week, and the taxi will drop you off about half a kilometre from here, so I'll just show you the route that you'll have to take to walk from where the taxi will drop you off, because the road's a bit rough, so you can't make it all the way up. Now if you're coming during the wet season, which it is, you've got a kind of a 50-50 chance it's going to be raining, so bring a rain jacket, raincoat with you. Or at the bottom of the hill and a couple of shops along the way, which is May Wang, you can buy them for about $5 to $10 depending on the quality. So grab one of them, otherwise you and your luggage might get very wet. This is our neighbour in front of us there, so at that little turn there's 4 ways you can go. Just have a look at this video so you know which way the right way is. There's a couple shops in town that give you directions, but you should be fine just following this track. There's only a couple of roads you can take which are incorrect, and you've got a higher probability of getting it right. Now from here, this is our next door neighbours, so when you see that, you know you're on the right track. And I'll go to the next junction and show you the turn. Okay, so now we're at the junction point. The neighbours are here, and the retreat is those buildings to the right in the forest. So you've got to take this left turn and walk all the way around. But sometimes the taxi will drive as far as this point, but usually if it's really heavy, it's muddy through here, so they're not going to be able to take you through. So you'll need to oops, I'll get off the road here. That's my neighbour. So you'll basically need to walk all the rest of the way. Now some taxi drivers will stop when the dirt road starts, and other taxis will drive the dirt road all the way through. It's about 1,800 baht, 1,800 baht, which is about, I don't know, $50, $60 if you're getting a quote. Mr. J charges 1,500 baht, and I can give you his number if you want to call him. He's a little bit cheaper. And there's also, I might put his number in the description, that'll be easy. And that's pick up from the airport or in the city. Okay, so when we let me just get through this. When we get to this little top section here, this is where a lot of the taxi drivers will stop because they don't want to drive through this stretch. And the sealed road starts just up ahead. And there's a couple of little turn-offs here, but this is basically as far as most taxi drivers will go. So from here back down, I think it's about 500 meters, and to the shop it's about 700 meters. Okay, so I hope that helps with for those of you who are coming here by taxi. Just email me, or I'll put Mr. J's phone number in the description so you're able to get here. All right, thanks for your time. See you later.